Hey guys, so it's me, Nick, and Chubb, and we are hoping you are liking
the series.
What series is it?
NERF WAR.
Yeah, the NERF WAR. If you don't, get off this channel right now. No one likes you.
If you do, you're a wonderful fan.
And go follow Samantha Coronia in. Just go type it in. I don't
whoever
know
girls are watching this, go.
I don't know how to do that. Say it again.
He just said Samantha, and Samantha's my sister who makes all those videos that he told you to do.
Go follow her right now. And the NERF WAR takes a lot of time to do, so hope you liked it. Because I couldn't do a lot of stuff. Whoa!
For how we made all of this stuff.
Plus, it's after Christmas. Hope you guys like it. And if you're wondering how this camera is floating, it's because I'm on a selfie stick. But I'm recording on it.
And I got a football.
P.S. This is my room.
He's my cousin. Always going here a lot.
Where's the computer?
Touch the football down.
This is my computer. So you can see I have some games and maps. Obviously, I have Windows 7 and Minecraft. Minecraft is amazing if you don't know. Minecraft is the best game you can ever play.
Actually, Call of Duty is.
No, Minecraft, GTA, Call of Duty, and Madden is the best 4 games. 4, I think it's 4. I wasn't counting while I was doing it. So we just want to say, hope you guys enjoy the series. If you don't, goodbye. Subscribe. And if you don't, but if you do like the series, thumbs up for you. I'll subscribe to you all. Bye.
And you're a wonderful fan, whoever likes it, and you're not a good fan if you don't like it.
Series, that's what I just said. So yeah. So bye.